Hey guys, it's old Lonesome. Hey guys, it's Lonesome from Lonesome's Garage waving a hand. Got some needed materials today. I'm sitting in my little shop that's not yet going where it needs to be. Got some parts today, unboxing type thing. This, as you know, I fool with a lot of the Chinese engines and things like that. Like on the Tao motors and different things. Well, you know how pesky the wiring problems are on them. When you get a new engine and you're going to do a project, like these plugs, for example, and you're wanting to create your own wiring harness. Let me unzip it here. Hadn't tried these before, but I have built wiring harnesses. Focus. And if you can see it right here in the box, all the pins, everything. Let me see if I can get it on opened up here. Get out of that plastic wrap. But it should be everything I need to build a wiring harness for my engines now. This one, for example, this is I think this is a 125, I can't remember. It's a 6-pin with 3 wires on it. So, and that is the female because of the hook arrangement on it. So, guess what, guys? There's my 3-pin male with a hook. Looky there. Perfect fit. Now, all I got to do is pin it and wire it. And like I said, I've got for this is the female pin here. There's my male pins. Heat shrink. We got the round for the heat shrink here, so you can make your round connections, male and female. Same here, male and female. Male and female, get right. But just giving you a little update of what's going on. I do have some this engine got GY6 styles there and there. There's a little 250. I've got lots of goodies stashed back in here. But the next one I'm going to make runs that little jewel right there and see if we can't get it fired off and going. Curiosity's killing me. I want to see what she sounds like. Because, guys, it's got a cam in it. And I'm getting old. They still haven't moved my building in place yet due to the coronavirus now. Find a spot to put this in. Looks like a good one right with the rest of the electrical stuff. Boss hollered at me the other day. he said, he pointed to this air compressor, and I thought he wanted me to look at it, fix it for him. He actually grabbed it for me. A guy was going to throw it away. As you can see right here on the gauge, this thing's still a holding, 160 pound pressure in the tank on it. Guy's just going to chunk it. Needed this switch. Guess what? Old Lonesome's got that switch. Lonesome also went in there and unstuck the points on the switch. Tires was flat. Went to Harbor Freight and picked me up some tires. Called a local place, and it was ridiculous. 2 go-kart tires and 2 tubes they asked me $35 for. I kind of laughed at them. I went to Harbor Freight. Tread pattern, same tires. I know I hadn't done an update and stuff in a while. Still got some of my Route 66 stuff laying around. Got shelves I got to put up. Thank you, Mr. Dorito, for that. And my Black Rock wheels, I'm fixing to sell or trade down. Those things ain't cheap, guys. Those are 12x7, 4x4. I got them for a project, and I'm not going to run them. I'm going to do something else, I think. But I took some time off today. But we're going to get back into it a little later. Freebie Honda, I like it. But old Lonesome, we're just going to give you an update of what's going on. Proud of my little air compressor. Not many things that comes free actually works. That and pump tire. It's been well used, but I'll take well used any day. Just throw a set of tires on it, put a switch on it, and go back to work. Just giving you an update. I got some more goodies coming up I'm going to be showing soon. Welcome to my hayfield, guys. I got to get my machines running. But if you'll notice, way back there in the background, I'm fixing to mow grass. But hold on, maybe a little project here, a little project there, another project there, another project there. But I just want to say hello. I haven't forgot you, and I've just been running stuff ever since I got to go back to work. I hadn't even had time to slow down. Hold Lonesome, waving a hand, guys. You have a great day. Be blessed.